Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy Day. Today I am launching a new channel for you called Falcon Excel Academy. As the name suggests, it's Excel Academy, meaning only about Excel. On this channel, only Excel will be taught and only information about Excel will be provided. On my channel, I am going to start Excel 2021 for you. This will be training from beginner to advanced level, and it's for all those people who want to start learning Excel from the very basics or who already know something about Excel. This course has been specially designed for such people. If you want to learn Excel right from the beginning up to the advanced level, then quickly subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to turn on all notifications so that every video can easily reach you. Before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from today's video, please like this video and share it with your friends. So let's begin today's lecture. In today's lecture, we will learn how to open Excel 2021, what are the different ways you can easily open Excel, and we will talk about its user interface as well as the File button. So let's begin today's lecture. The very first way to open Excel is that you can double click on it from the desktop to open it. The second way is if you have Excel installed on your computer but it's not on the desktop, then you need to click on the Windows button. If you have Windows 10, a menu like this will open up for you. If you have Windows 8, then a separate tab will open up across the entire screen. So you need to use the search box here. In the search box, you need to type Excel here. For example, if we type Excel here, you'll see the Excel app appear. When you click on it, Excel will open from here as well. After that, the third method is that if you press the Windows and R buttons together, the Run box will open. Press the Windows button on the keyboard, then press R, and as soon as we type Excel here and press Enter, Excel will open for you. These were 3 easy ways through which you can easily open Excel. After that, we'll talk first about Excel's user interface. Whenever you open Excel, the first thing you get is a new workbook. For example, when we click on blank workbook here, remember an Excel file is called a workbook. As soon as you open a new workbook, a window like this will appear in front of you. Now, first of all, let's talk about the user interface. Here, as you can see, we have the control buttons. This set of 3 buttons is called the control buttons. Next, this is called the search bar. You can click here to search for any command. This is called the title bar, where you can see the file name and then the program name. This is called the quick access toolbar, where all the buttons you frequently need for your workbook are available. After that, this is called the file button. Now, when you click on the file button, all the commands related to files open up for you, such as creating a file, saving it, opening it, closing it. All these commands will be visible here. After that, this is called a tab. For example, home is called the home tab, insert is called the insert tab, and so on. If it's page layout, then we call it the page layout tab. So all of these are called tabs. Here you have the home tab, insert tab, page layout tab. Whenever you click on any tab, a ribbon opens up in front of you. This entire strip that you see, in which you can see these different commands, is called the ribbon, and every ribbon consists of different groups. For example, in this there is a clipboard group, a font group, an alignment group, a numbers group, a styles group, a cells group, and an editing group. These are called groups. After that, this is called the cell address, and this is called the formula bar. If you write any formula here in Excel, it will be displayed here, and this entire sheet where you can see these cells is called the worksheet. Every worksheet has columns. That is, these vertical lines you see here, A, B, C, D, are called columns. And these horizontal lines you see, 1, 2, 3, are called rows. Whenever you click on any cell, you are clicking in a box, and that is called a cell. After that, this is called the scroll bar, which you use to move the page up and down. Then down here, where it says ready, this is called the status bar. Here, you can see the layout, and after that, you can see the page zoom. So this was the Excel user interface. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about the user interface. And along with that, I am going to teach you how to create a new file, save a file, open, close, save, save as, and how to apply a password in Excel. So first of all, we will talk about this. In this, we will talk about the new sheet, the new workbook, and how you create a new workbook. See, whenever you open Excel from here, you automatically get a new file. You don't need to create a new file yourself. So I clicked on blank workbook here, and as soon as I clicked here, you get a new workbook right here. And even if you don't have a new workbook here, you can still click on File and then again click on New and select Blank Workbook. And you'll get a new workbook. After that, you can write any of your data here. For example, I have typed Falcon Excel Academy here, and after that I am typing here name, and after that I use the tab key. By using the tab key for class and then for roll number, you can move from one column to another. In this way, you have written your data. Now, if the power goes out or the computer turns off, all your work will be lost. So we want to save this so that we can open it again and continue working on it. You need to go to File, click on File, then click on Save, and after that click on Browse. As soon as we click on Browse, the Save dialog box opens in front of you. Here you have to type the name of the file you want to save it as. For example, type the file name here as my first lecture, and as soon as we click on Save, your file gets saved with the name my first lecture. You can also see the file name in the title bar above. Now, if we want to close the file, we will go to File and then click on Close. The file will be closed. To open it again, go to File, then click on Open, and after that click on Browse. Select your file here and click on Open, and the file will open. You can open the file this way as well. Another way is to click on File, and after clicking on File, when you go to Open, you will see that under Recent, you have a record here of the worksheets that were opened last. As soon as you click here, the file will also open from here for you. After that, the next command we will learn about is Save As. Now let's say you want to create another sheet, just like the one you have already made, the record you have maintained, or the sheet you have designed, either for yourself or for someone else. Remember, whenever we create a new file, we save it. If a file is already saved and we want to make a copy of it, then we use Save As. So we use Save As for a saved file. Suppose we want this file to be saved both as my first lecture and also as record sheet. For that, we need to go to the File menu. After clicking on File, we will click here on Save As. After clicking on Save As, you need to click on Browse. Once you click on Browse, you have to give the file a name. For example, here I have named it Record Sheet. After that, as soon as you click on Save, this file will be saved both as my first lecture and as record sheet. To make a copy of a file, first you will open that file and then you need to use Save As. So, as you can see, both files are present here, record sheet and my first lecture. Next, we are going to learn how to apply a password to a file so that if anyone tries to open our file, they won't be able to. First, open the file to which you want to apply the password and go to File. After clicking on File, here we click on either Record Sheet or My First Lecture. Open the file to which you want to apply the password. For example, if I want to apply a password to My First Lecture, then after that you need to go to File again, and to apply the password, you also need to go to Save As. After clicking on Save As, you will click here. For instance, as we see, we click on Save here and then click on Browse, and this box will open in front of you. Now after that, you don't need to change the file name. We want the file name to remain the same, but we want to apply a password to this file. For that, go to Tools, then to General Options, and then apply the password here. For example, I typed 123. Then below, we click here and type 123mem and click OK. After that, type 123mem again and click OK. Then type 123mem once more and click OK. After that, you need to save it, and then you will replace it by clicking Yes here so that the file is saved again with the same name. Now close this file. After closing, whenever you open this file, a password will be required. For example, if I type the wrong password like 123456 and press enter, you can see here that the password is incorrect, so the file does not open. The correct password was 123. We will open our file again, type 123, press enter or click OK so that the file opens. Now to change or remove the password, you need to go to File again, then go to Save As, then click here on Browse, and after that go to Tools again, click on General Options, and here you can delete the password or add a new one. To remove the password, select and delete it, and if you want to set a new password, Type the new password and click OK. After that, you need to save it. Remember, after applying or removing a password, you must save the data and then click Yes. In the future, whenever you open this file, as I am closing it now, after closing it, whenever I open it, the file will open without a password. So this was our lecture for today, in which I taught you about the user interface and then about the file button. If you learned something from today's video, please like this video and share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.